buckwheat has to be the easiest thing ever to make. You will need a pot with a lid and somewhere to measure, such as scale or even a cup as well. So to make a buckwheat you actually need 1 part buckwheat and 2 parts water. For example, I have measured 150 grams of buckwheat and I'm going to add 300 grams more of water. In total 450. Okay, that's done. So I have 150 grams of buckwheat plus 300 grams of water. Then all you have to do is turn on your stove, put on your lid and simply wait it to start boiling. Once it starts boiling properly, let it boil for around 3 minutes, no more is needed. After it has been boiling for 3 minutes, if you have a regular electric stove like this, simply turn it off. If you have induction stove or maybe gas stove, then maybe if you have adjustment like this, where you can basically crank it to the minimum possible. So I have 0 to 10 basically, and I can turn it to maybe 1. Again, if you have induction or like gas stove, so we still need a bit of heat. But again, if you have regular electric ceramic stove basically like this, there is still enough heat coming from it and it will basically finish cooking it as well. So you can actually turn it off completely. And then set your timer for 20 minutes at least and let it simply sit there. So even with the stove off, you can see it's still kind of boiling and it simply needs to sit there for 20 minutes. Also during those 20 minutes, do not touch it, do not take up the lid to see how it's doing. Simply leave it as is. And after 20 minutes of just sitting there, we have a perfectly done buckwheat ready to eat. Also, when you serve the buckwheat, make sure to sprinkle a bit of salt on it, so it actually tastes even better. Good luck!